Hi guys. Well, as you probably guessed by the title and stuff, I just wanted to say sorry to you guys. Been a while now since I've actually put any decent content out, and I believe that I owe you guys an explanation. You follow along and the rest of it. You subscribe to the channel, which I really appreciate. But this guy here, yeah, hasn't really put the content out to keep you guys there, and I'm just sorry about that. But yeah, admittedly I've been out of the country for a few weeks, but I've also had issues going on. As some of you guys know that have been following the channel and some of the real OGs and stuff, I struggle with mental health quite a bit. Doing YouTube does help. It really does help. For some reason, talking to a camera, it relieves some of the, I don't know how to say it, it's not stress. I suppose it's the worry of life, I suppose. And yeah, but unfortunately that got in the way of doing some videos, or the quality of videos that I want to get out. And I did, before I went away, after the Focus, or the ST, which is a vein in my life, but we won't go into that, that's my problem. There's nothing wrong with the car in any way whatsoever, it just, I cocked up with buying it at the wrong price, but life is life. But we move on from that. But yeah, I did pick up another car, which is what I said in that video I was going to be doing. Another car came from Copart and stuff, and the video that I did for that one I haven't put out, because the quality of the video, I believe, is atrocious. And to be personally honest with you, I wouldn't have watched it myself. I'd have probably watched the first minute, if lucky, and then just tuned out to somewhere else. And I just didn't feel it was right for me to put it out to you guys. I want to put out some real good content, and I do struggle with it. I admit I do struggle with it. Doing it by myself, it's hard work to get camera footage done in a timely thing, to be able to film stuff and the rest of it. Hence why I got a lot of time-lapse stuff in mind, because I haven't got someone to film like a lot of channels do, and I find it hard work to do that and stuff. As in, trying to hold something as well as use two hands to do a job. That's what I'm trying to get at. It's hard to do that one, and I try my best to get the videos out, and some of them I just do, and I'm ashamed of them, to be honest with you. What I will do, the video of that car, I will try and edit it the best I can to get it better than it is, and try and get one video out of the car turning up, the work I've done on it, and the repair work on it, because it is about to go up for sale once I get the repair work finished off on it, which was a really easy job, to be honest with you. It really was an easy job. But from that, I want to get better videos, and better and better and better. I want to grow the channel to the best I possibly can, and I want to get it so you guys want to watch it, want to share it for me, and then we progress as a channel altogether. And the more better content I get, the better. I know this is going to sound real awful, but the better the video does, the more YouTube push it, it goes up the algorithms, the more ad revenue that I make out of it to be able to put back into another video to do it. Because doing these videos isn't cheap. Well, this one is, but doing videos that I normally do isn't cheap at all. It costs money. A lot of channels out there you see putting out bang out content all the time. That's because each of their videos gets 100+ views and stuff like that, 100,000 plus views and stuff like that, and they make enough money out of them to be able to pump back in to buying more projects and doing that. Unfortunately, the easy way of putting it, I make about £5 a month out of YouTube at the moment, which, as we all know, £5 don't go nowhere. It doesn't pay for nothing, and it's hard work. It really is hard work to keep your motivation going, especially with mental health. It just pushes you out there, and it makes it, well, it puts you down, to be honest with you, because you think you're doing something wrong all the time and the rest of it. I know some of my videos have been shite, and I happily admit that, but yeah, it's just, I got myself into a rut before I went away, and my videos went even worse. But I've been away since then. I've got myself back into, I would say, a better place, and I want to progress from that. I got a few things that I'm up to at the moment, which I'm going to be filming and stuff like that. One, as you probably noticed, I put that post up the other day with a pole and stuff, so yeah, I'm going to be painting the wheels on the T4, and there's a couple of other little bits I want to change on the T4, even though it's just been in a magazine. Things are never finished, as we all know. I got that to go. I'm going to get back onto another car which has been lurking around for quite a long time, and plus I've still got the white T4 which hasn't progressed at all, so I'm going to get back onto that as well as constantly looking to buy other cars to flip, to make more content and get out there. I also want to get to a lot more shows and stuff and start filming them, and I want to get some real entertaining content, I suppose is what you want to say. Which, anybody got any ideas? Stick them down there. I'm all game for listening to ideas. Or if there's other channels that watch my channel and want to do something together, and they make something real good and a bit of fun, yeah, I'm game. I'm all game for that. So yeah, anything, new ideas, guys, stick in the comments down below. Any idea will be very much appreciated. I won't blow it out of the water, trust me. I will take it on board. If it's something I can do, then yes, I will happily, very, very happily get on and do it. Within reason, of course, with money-wise and stuff like that. But yeah, please, that the rest of it. Plus, I also want to say, I did put out a community post. I don't know how many people of you noticed it or stuff, but the channel has changed names. Yes, I know, again. This is a channel name that I really wanted. And it took me a while to be able to get it. So now we got Dex Garage Rebuilds. So I wanted to make it more personal. I didn't want to make it look like it's a big company that does stuff and the rest of it, because I'm not. I'm just a small guy, does everything by myself. Might have the odd little person help me every now and again, but majority of the work I do is this guy here. And that's another reason why it's hard work, because everything I do that. The amount of hours I put into doing YouTube stuff off camera is absolutely unreal, guys. Absolutely unreal. I do my full-time job, which is delivering stuff, and I do my YouTube as well. So I'm basically like doing 2 jobs, and it wears you down. It really does wear you down, but we get there. We get there, and I'm in a much more positive place to actually get there more. So I just want to do that, the rest of it. But yeah, the channel, I just wanted to make it a lot more personal. I wanted to make it look like it's coming from me, and like it does. But I'm struggling for words at the moment with trying to think about what words I want to get out to you. But just please think that everything I do and everything I say really does come from my heart. I don't mess around with it. I might come across on camera that I'm all I want to do is arse around and mess around. I don't. Everything I do, I want to try and make as entertaining for you guys as I can, as well as making it heartfelt that it's actually coming from me. And that's hard to get across. It is for someone with mental health and anxiety stuff and the rest of it. But I'm going to do the best I possibly can, and hopefully you guys stick with me and understand. So I'm going to stop waffling, I think. But just as I said, I just wanted to get this video out there to say I really apologise and stuff like that. And I understand the guys that have left and the rest of it. But on the subject of the guys that have left and the rest of it, I have been notified a few times by people that they go to watch the channel and they find that I'm not in their subscription list. And it transpires that when you look into it, and other channels had this issue as well, YouTube decide that they're going to unsubscribe you from the channel for no God knows reason, and they've had to resubscribe again. So if you haven't noticed it, if you haven't popped up on it, well, just hit the subscribe button again, guys. I just apologise on YouTube. It's how it is, unfortunately. So if you haven't already, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Please, if you can, understand that everything I do comes from me and comes from my heart. And I really do appreciate every single one of you guys for being there. So until the next one, guys, peace out. Stay safe.